Hi friends. True patriotism is the service of this nation which lasts an entire lifetime. I am grateful to be mentored by a true patriot in my pursuit to serve this great nation of ours in the uniform. Brigadier Dr. Vijay Sagar Dhiman's commitment to nurture and motivate individuals such as myself and give their efforts a direction is an example of true character. I have attended Sir's 5 sessions, including one personal interview. He teaches the ins and outs and what a personality should be like for an SSB, using his techniques of NLP, that is Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Neuro-Linguistic Programming talks about 3 main concepts, which is the first one is deletion, second one is association, and the third being generalization. Now, using these 3 steps in this whole technique, it not just helps you in your SSB but also generates a lot of confidence and helps you be a better personality overall. It's a step-by-step process which takes a long time, but it is effective, and I affirm that it is. I look forward to working and being mentored by Sir in the long run, and I hope that others will also learn and grow the same way I have. Thank you and Jai Hind.
First mantra of attitude, I have taken birth on this earth to succeed.
Brigadier Vijay Sagar Dhiman is a scholar warrior who has a distinction of having been awarded doctorates twice in international relations. His research is backed with his hands-on experience of having served the nation on the line of control with Pakistan.
If you want to look confident, to go ahead, wade through that difficult situation.
He has been a commander of insurgency grid in Kashmir, served with the United Nations, and has had multiple stints in different facets of life, including the tenets of cyberspace. As the Additional Director General of the National Cadet Corps, his passion for the motherland extended further into fortifying the youth of his country, which he pursues even today as the Vice Chancellor of a university.
Keep telling that manager in your mind, okay, look, please produce positive thoughts only and disregard the negative thoughts.
Today, he actively trains and channels the energies of young Indians for joining the armed forces by being an astute trainer for the Service Selection Board. His methods of training are based on 12 years of extensive research and consultations with IOs, GTOs and psychologists from different service selection boards.
आपको ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स के बारे में जानें, और अगर आप ये कर पाएंगे, आप कहीं भी जाना चाहेंगे, you will be more confident.
His progressive, dynamic and focused coaching methodology has seen hundreds join the armed forces. A Harrison-trained psychometric analyst, he is an expert in training and motivating youth to play by their personal strengths towards the desired career paths. He has been able to guide the so-called less than 80 marks type students to blissful careers, entrepreneurships of their choice. 12 years of experience in career counseling has propelled many young students to successfully gain admissions in universities in India and abroad.
आप अपने बारे में अच्छा बोलें, yes I can do it, तो लोग भी आपको वैसे भी बोलेंगे.
Brigadier Vijay Sagar Dhiman also arms his students with life skills with a globally approved program by the International Coaching Federation, USA, of which he is a certified and accredited coach. His practical, hands-on approach with real-life inspiring stories facilitates students to assimilate the personality traits. This enhances the IQ, intelligence quotient, the EQ, emotional quotient, the SQ, social quotient, and AQ, adversity quotient, resulting in a runaway success for any student. So what are you waiting for? Come join with Brigadier Vijay Sagar Dhiman, who is your sure bet to acme your life.